physiographical conditions. Is it clear? Within the limitations of what? Social, political, environmental conditions. And then I said that another मैंने क्या बोला? Legal constraints, constitutional constraints, present technology, utilizable water available in India is, yes, out of 2000 we have 690. इस तरीके से लिखोगे तो आपको मार्क्स मिलेगा. मेरी बात समझ में आ गई? This is the way that your approach should be there. Again, I said that within the limitations of the physiographical conditions, social, political and environmental conditions, legal and constitutional constraints and present technological use, we are able to utilize how much? 690 million cubic meter of water out of 2000. Understood? I said that utilizable annual surface water of the country is how much? 690. और सबसे बड़ा जो है, this is the considerable scope of increasing utilization of water. सबसे ज़्यादा considerable scope कहाँ पे है? In Ganga, Brahmaputra basins by construction of storages at suitable. समझ में आ गया? मैं किसकी बात कर रहा हूँ? There are several others. That is okay. But I talk about ब्रह्मपुत्रा में ही 650 है, जो कि हमारे सरफेस वाटर को यूटिलाइज कर रहा हूँ. केवल ब्रह्मपुत्रा रिवर has how much? 650. It's not a small figure. Understood? And how much you are using? Around 25-30. हमेशा फिगर को अराउंड में बोला करेंगे, हमेशा चेंज होते रहो. Around 25-30. So we are able to use very less. So वहाँ पे, and Ganga it is 550, and we are able to utilize how much? 250. Understood? It means again these two have a very great scope for Indian aspect, and then we should, I said that at suitable location we should try to make an storage. At suitable location we should try to make storage, and that construction of storages, and then in the neighboring countries. Ganga river कहाँ से है? That I said that Kali river, that is at the Bengal, it is in Uttarakhand and Nepal border. Yes. The Gandak river, what it is coming from Nepal, Bodi Gandak coming from Nepal, Kosi river coming from Nepal. So we have to make a water with those countries with storage. Flood भी हमारा reduce होगा. I have discussed this thing. Thereafter I said that Manas river, this is coming from the, I said that Bhutan. So if I am knowing that, we have to talk to them, and then that I have discussed with you earlier. ये बात मैंने पहले भी discuss किया था. We should talk to them to increase the storage capacity. Understood? We should try to make the better in the Brahmaputra, in the Arunachal Pradesh. In this region we can be able to make it. Like I said that we should have a better relations with the neighboring countries also. Myanmar, China के साथ अच्छा होना चाहिए. Now we have been able to see this is the surface water. समझ में आ चुका है? Simply हमने क्या बोला? National Commission for Integrated Water Resource Development. National Commission एक है हमारा. It is an, I said that, Constitutional National Commission for, I said that, Integrated Water Resource Development, and he said that how much we have? 2000. Okay? 1950 बोलो या around 2000, that's your choice. And then फिर उन्होंने एक definition हमें provide किया और बोला कि कहाँ पे मेरा, where our scope is better for, I said that, for the future better progress of India. That I said that great scope to make different kind of storage in the Ganga river system and Brahmaputra river system at different location in India and in the neighboring countries. Understood? And then I am talking about conducive use of surface water. और कल हम लोगों ने ground water में भी हम लोग ऐसा ही कुछ किए थे. Yes, आपको याद है हमने ground water को irrigation से जोड़ा था. We have added with the ground water with the over exploitation जो sea salinity वगैरह आ रहा था. Out of 6,900 units हमने discuss किया. And thereafter I talked about groundwater in the form of, I said that, conjunctive use. यदि ground water logging salinization था तो उसको हम कैसे ठीक करेंगे. Thereafter I discussed with you, I said that if the groundwater, I said that it is के साथ हमारा क्या model होना चाहिए. Then model discuss किए, and model में I said that there should be a groundwater authority and then central agency, one chairman, central agency one portion should be there, state agency several portions should be there, technical portion should be there, and then portions who having a knowledge of groundwater, they should be there. And thereafter we talked about what should do in the different region, so how to preserve the groundwater and recharge the groundwater. Then we have talked about management of groundwater. Understood? और यहाँ पर भी हमें कुछ देखना है surface water को भी. यहाँ पे भी हमें we have to see something. I said that conducive surface water and then conservation efforts. हमें conserve करने की कोशिश करनी है. Always try to conserve the water through the storage capacity and all. So तो सबसे दो चीज important है in our. I said that surface water में one it is in a conducive use and another is I said that efforts to water make the conservation of surface water. And you as a student of mine, you must be understanding that the rivers, you know all the rivers in India, where they are, what is the situation, and you can make, and you know the dams. Yes or no? So I said that देखेंगे ध्यान से, following steps have been taken for conducive use of surface water. I said that a large canal infrastructure network for providing irrigation has been prime goal of India since first 5-year plan, and it has been continued up to 7 5-year plan in the 1980s. हम लोग large क्या था, important portion था कि we have to what is the go for conserving and then but I said storing the water through the canal. This is a major concern, large canal infrastructure network for providing irrigation, and we have done. लेकिन उसी समय हमने देखा था कि there is a green revolution has been taken place in 1967, and during that period we have been realized during the I said that third, fourth, 5-year plan that green revolution is going on, और उसमें हमने बहुत ज़्यादा water चाहिए था, and कल ही हमने देखा that it is I said that groundwater extraction increases क्योंकि surface water was not available and its speed was very low. Now I said that हमें तो एक ये देखा. Now another हमें conducive use क्या करना है, this is a canal irrigation को हमें और भी better बनाने की कोशिश करना है. 7 5-year plan तक हमने किया, तो we have to also develop the better infrastructure in the form of canal. और जो canal बना दिए हैं, irrigation हो चुका है, अब मुझे क्या करना है, command area development program. What do we have to do? Command area, and command area that a particular canal कहाँ से originate होता है, that is originating from the I said that generally from the nearby reservoir or dams. It is originating from there. We should try to improve the irrigation potential of the canal. Yes or no? So command area development program, suppose यहाँ पे 1000 एक हमें तो देखना है कि पहला तो 1000 है. What I said that 1000 suppose hectare of the land में, suppose a small figure I am taking, one dam से एक canal निकला, उसकी capacity कितनी है, potential कितनी है, 1000. और हमें जाकर देखा जाए तो like I said that सरदार सरोवर में क्या किया गया, it is some capacity is there, लेकिन उसके capacity को और improve कर दिया गया. And then so that it is not only providing irrigation water, it is not only providing, major portion is what is I said that irrigation, perhaps you are understanding. Then it is HEP is producing, and then drinking water supply to the nearby region. But the most concern is I said that increase करने से एक फायदा जरूर हो गया. वो क्या फायदा हो गया? By increasing this what is this one I said that Sardar Sarovar more. So this is known as a command area, means increasing the what is an irrigation potential of a water dam projects or canal projects. Understood? This is in a command area development. There is one program is also there, AIBP. Suppose हम लोग dams हमारे इंडिया में भी several dams are in the construction. There is a major, there is a medium, there is a minor. Major, medium, minor which are running. So one it is I said that AIBP came, and then he said that I will invest, I will give loan to those projects which are major and medium so that it can finish fast. And then it can provide more water to the what is in a people. Another I said that फिर उसने अपने आप को थोड़े बाद में उसने फिर चेंज कर लिया कि नहीं मैं AIP मेजर और मीडियम को भी नहीं देगा, he will also give what is an assistance to loan assistance और money assistance to which one minor, क्योंकि हम लोग माइनर को तो पढ़ते नहीं है, हम लोग जनरली मेजर को ही पढ़ते हैं. Yes or not? And by chance medium that we are studying. So I said that there is so AIBP several programs that will see efforts, that is known as an efforts. So I said that कि हमने कैनाल इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर पे काम किया, लेकिन एक और चीज बोला गया that I said that conducive use में एक और चीज we have to see that कि there is several canal which has been formed, but these canals are facing waterlogging conditions. और आपको ही पता है why waterlogging conditions. Several canals. समझ में आता है that canals are not what I said that properly lined. Yes or no? And the nearby region is facing waterlogging condition. इससे क्या हो रहा है? Loss of water. And at the same time side का land क्या बन रहा है? It is a waterlogging and salinization. The waterlogging area becomes slowly and slowly saline. So we have to work on it. And इसीलिए हम लोगों ने कई चीजों में बात किया कि some irrigation projects like in the UP, Sarda river is there, Sarda Sahayak in the Uttar Pradesh, Gandak river in Bihar, and then Chambal river in I said that in Rajasthan and in Madhya Pradesh, and then Nagarjun Sagar dam on the I said किस पे बना हुआ है? Krishna river, and then Ghat Prabha, Mal Prabha in Karnataka. आप दिखता है ना आपको? Several these rivers are facing I said that waterlogging. This canal system, the projects which has been formed, they are facing. एक simple बोला है lie. There are some irrigation lie. There are others also. There are others also. इसका मतलब है we have to also what is a conducive use बनाना है, conducive use of surface water resource, and we are wasting the water. Understood it? तो हम लोगों ने कंडीसिव यूज के लिए पहले तो फर्स्ट ईयर 5 ईयर प्लान से 7th 5 ईयर प्लान से वी ट्राई टू डेवलप द लार्जेस्ट कैनाल इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर इन द वर्ल्ड इंडिया, एंड देयर आफ्टर जो कि हमारा इंदिरा गांधी कैनाल उसी समय उसी पीरियड में बना हुआ है, एंड देन वी हैव बीन एबल टू सी, और दिस इज द क्लियर, और लोग पीपल वांट्स टू यूज सरफेस वाटर और वांट्स टू यूज ग्राउंड वाटर. हाँ, सरफेस वाटर यूज करना चाहते हैं ग्राउंड वाटर farmers, which one is cheap? सरफेस वाटर तो चीप ही तो परचेज करेंगे, चीप ही को तो करना चाहेंगे. यदि if it is